The first step in troubleshooting Netflix account linking issues is verifying your T-Mobile plan includes the Netflix benefit. Only specific plans like Magenta Max and Go 5G Plus or Next include Netflix on Us. Once you've confirmed your plan eligibility, access your Netflix benefits through the My T-Mobile app or website. Navigate to Manage Add-ons or look for Netflix on Us in your account dashboard. During the linking process, you'll need to choose between linking an existing Netflix account or creating a new one. Make sure to select the correct option to avoid complications later. If you encounter error code NW-2-5, this indicates a network connectivity issue. Reset your network settings and verify your T-Mobile data connection is working properly. If Netflix charges appear on your bill despite having the T-Mobile benefit, don't worry. Allow 1 to 2 billing cycles for the systems to synchronize properly. This is normal during the initial setup period. If you've accidentally linked the wrong Netflix account, you can fix this by unlinking through your T-Mobile account, waiting 24 hours, and then relinking the correct account. This waiting period is essential for the system to reset properly. Finally, always complete two-factor authentication when required during the linking process. This security step ensures your accounts remain protected and helps prevent unauthorized access to your Netflix and T-Mobile services. If you're experiencing poor video quality while streaming Netflix on T-Mobile, there are several common causes and solutions to explore. The most common issue is video quality being limited to 480p due to plan throttling. Many T-Mobile unlimited plans automatically limit video streaming to standard definition to manage network traffic. To resolve this, you can add an HD Day Pass for temporary high-definition streaming, or upgrade to a premium plan that includes unlimited high-definition video streaming. Network congestion during peak hours can significantly impact your streaming experience. T-Mobile offers several optimization features to improve performance. Connect to 5G when available for the best streaming performance. T-Mobile's 5G network provides dedicated bandwidth and reduced latency for streaming services like Netflix. Prevention is key to avoiding streaming problems. Regular maintenance of your accounts and apps can prevent many common issues before they occur. Regularly verify that your Netflix and T-Mobile accounts are properly linked. Account synchronization issues can cause unexpected streaming problems or billing discrepancies. Keep both your T-Mobile and Netflix apps updated to the latest versions. App updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve streaming issues. For persistent streaming problems, advanced troubleshooting techniques can help resolve deeper technical issues affecting your Netflix experience. Configure your device to use T-Mobile's optimized DNS servers with 1.1.1 as a backup. This can improve connection reliability and streaming performance. Clear your app cache, restart your devices, and ensure firmware is up to date. These basic maintenance steps can resolve many device-specific streaming issues. Finally, enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication on both your T-Mobile and Netflix accounts. This prevents unauthorized access that could disrupt your service. By following these troubleshooting steps and preventive measures, you can resolve most T-Mobile Netflix streaming problems and enjoy a better viewing experience.